An RL 2022 setup can make or break your RAM file operation game. In this deep device, we rank the top 5 optics from budget-friendly cups to health class featuring these Vavatex Bushnell Prime Cries Fire to VX Friendim and Primly Osmial S ILX. Let's zero in. For information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and let's get started. Number 5, our text 52556 FFP. The Vavatex Venom 52556 MMFPIS high performance rifle escape device and far lying range operation and RL 2022 competition featuring our first focal plane IBR-7C reticle in material accurate substance across all magnification, making hold Aussies and welt edged colorations intuited and rival the 24 MMS tube officer generous terrible, while the review stop zero system ensures a quick and can see insert return to zero after adjustments. Bullet from aircraft grade aluminum. The scape is grade waterproof and golf proof. The anti-recoil containing this Sonson stability and low hit performance. They include thorough rival allowance, fast magnification change, ideal for dynamics shooting simulation with H2H shooting and radio sense command operations. Them when delivers bright high contrast virulence date telep you liked in target, whether you lie drying for distant law agents in fast speed staging. This is how epic base edges give P-tune inforded rapidly and level performance. Number 4, Vision Prime 31214 MMS. The Bushnell Prime 31214 MMS rifle scape is a versatile mid-range optic designing for hunter and shooters, seeking clarity, reliability, and value with a 12-13 magnification range and 14 MMS objective lens, and ideal for center level rifle and multiple two variants shooting information. This scape featuring a multi-X reticle in the second focal plane SFP, offering a clean and intuitive imaging provide without clutter, a fully multi-coiled lens and ultra-wide band quality device, bright high contrast imaging and even in low light, while Bushnell SXO barrier protects the lens from waterproof fog and debris. The side parallax adjustments from 10 yards to infinity enforces fast fox across density, and the IP7 waterproof rating guarantee performance in harsh weather with MOA of 15 of evolution and wind H dimensions X at capital of permission using and hold always weighing just 17 always east light vent and commission in a great fit for reflected use. The scape is backed by Bushnell in C-line clad warranty, offering a patch of minding farming lengths trim dentally reduce use targeting what miss ya dialing in for medium ranger shooting. The frame 7-14 MMS official depleting for performance aids and classy points provide wide health repeating in whether I rifle ya capturing in to similar scope. Number 3, Vavatex cries fire to rifle scope. The Vavatex cries fire rifle scope is a red rebel operatic designing fire hunter and shooter whose demanded performance without breaking the bank leopard frame aircraft grade emblem of it of identity and shock result making it suitable for high recoil fires amidst the scope physically multi-coat lens that non-light transmission and develop to corrupting H2H cliently even in low light conditions. Its fort fox eyepiece louds repeated rattle forkings while the lying eye rifle and forking eye box make targeting question Samet and comfortable. The radicals MOA terrestrial provide precise word H and elevation admissions and the dead hold BTC radical orbital in excellent model helps comments and far bullet drive and one different ideal for hitting या shooting eight working ranger oval min vital confirmation including 7 9 14 4 12 14 and 1 8 15 6 the Christ 5 shootings everything from close range brush hitting to lying range for target shooting. It's all so backed by Vavetex C VIP lifetime voting and shooting pace of made for years to come whether you marketing in a online bolt action rifle या in AI platform the Christ fire to develop the people from performance and optical guarantee at an Galaxy Primes provide white help choosing the best magnification for you set up या breaking to Simar Scarweb number 2 YXC Freedom the Leopard YX Freedom Rifle Scarweb is a red American made optic date blades afforded ability with premium performance device data for hunter and shooters who demanded reliability at furniture low plots and divided architecture system developing escalated light transmission glaze radiations and H2H clarity. The 3.1 zoom ratio offer warranty Christ variants shooting dimension while scratching rejection lens meant military insertion for different bullet from T6061 Aero Efficient Grade Emulsion. The VX Freedom is waterproof, fog proof, cough proof and shock proof, ready for escapative invasion. It's 1.4 MOA Frank Lake admission allows prevention wedding H and loans attending just sleep model system CTS technology for rapid blood text competitions. The tournament light magician system is in low light condition going shooting H devising dawn and dusk available min lightable coffee missions including room fire scout and center fire model DVEX Radom Sust Light Ranger of law fire armies and applications bats by developed full lifetime guarantee. It's a Scarweb built to perform season after season want help choosing the best VX Freedom model for your rifle या shooting style. Number 1 Primary Armel SLX for 1444 FFP. The Primary Armor SLX for 1445 MMS FFP. Rifle इसका वेप is studded or choice for shooters seeking opposition dependability and affordability. Bullet from heavy duty 6063 aircraft grade aluminum stop shock proof waterproof and fog testing ready hardened Ferendi the first focal plane FFP designing shooting AXSS a grade reticle ramil recruiting across all magnification level making it habitable for but short range emissions and long range shooting to 1000 yards. Vardae 13 mm in tube. The इसका वे प्रोफाइल जेंसर एजिमेट्स रेंज एंड रेबा हिल ट्रेडिंग थ्रू एस्ट MIL trust which provide 17.5 me's of evaluations. The side parallax and azimuth started just 15 yards allowance for purpose focusing L close and diversity. The illuminated reticle physician 6 Blinded Centigrade Pro powder by CR 2023 battery weighed in life notch B-T1 H level for cook control. Weighing to 5.42 ounce and measuring 1.2.9 inch launch inch long. The E4 1444 XLX is commissions 8 robot backed by primarily Azmir lifetime warranty SRA Rabital Apetek Firearm AR platform bolt action rifle and in RL 2022 Computation White help comparison health to other FFB scope in the same price range. So guys, that all for get top 5 in our 2022 which scope should use RAM file optic depth device. Like the video, comment and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more video. We will meet in next video. Bye then, take care. Bye.